sticking stubbornly out of a mace head made out of snakes' heads. Ooh, I can't see for the coils. You want nothing more than to crush your enemies. I'll use you to crush mine instead, and grow rich from all the spoils. You're not the bad news you thought you were. You're not the bad news you thought you were. Final say, while I feel your anger boil. You are fruit that grew too ripe for the tree that nourished egg, so you punished egg. Ooh, I can't eat you 'cause you're spoiled.